Good day, sir. I am Brent Mark D. Di Casa, BSMT2 Betelgeuse, and this is my Week A1 formative assessment. First is tanker ships. A tanker ship is a ship designed to transport or store liquids or gases in bulk. Classification of tankers based on their type. First is oil tankers, chemical tankers, hydrogen tankers, wine tankers, gas tankers, slurry tankers, juice tankers, and ITB tankers. First is oil tanker. Oil tanker is used to carry oil and its byproducts. It is also a generic terminology and includes not only crude oil but also petrol, gasoline, kerosene, and paraffin. It is also designed to carry petroleum products in bulk. It carry a wide range of products ranging from crude oil to refined products. Their size is measured in tons or deadweight tonnage. Its size ranges from 55,000 deadweight tonnage to VLCCs of over 300,000 deadweight tonnage. There are two types of oil tankers. First is crude tankers and second is product tankers. First, crude tankers. Specifically used to transport crude oil from the excavation site to the crude oil refining industrial plant. These tankers move a large quantity of unrefined crude oil from its elicitation point to the oil refineries, where they are refined and various grades or products are extracted and distributed later on. These vessels are much larger in size than the other variants of oil tankers. Next is product tanker. Product tanker is used to transport petroleum-based chemicals. Product tankers are used to carry refined oil, various grades, to the point near the engrossing market. They are smaller in size as compared to the crude oil tankers. Next is gas tanker. Gas tankers are specially designed to carry gas in bulk. They are specially designed to carry different forms of gases. Technically, these types of vessels are more on the cutting edge than any other type of vessels such as bulkers, containers, and other variety of tankers. There are five categories as per the type of cargo carries: fully pressurized ships, ethylene ships, semi-pressurized ships, fully refrigerated LPG ships, and LNG ships. First is fully pressurized ships. This type of tankers are the cinch type of gas carrier compared to all of its other varieties. Cargo herein is carried in the ambient temperature. This type of vessels usually are smaller in size as because of the design pressure. The tanks are extremely heavy. Second is semi-pressurized ships. These are very similar to fully pressurized ships in terms of the tank's construction and structure, but they are designed to carry gas at a maximum working pressure of 5 to 7 bars. It can be used to transport a wide variety of gas cargo in bulk and can be usually seen in the busy coastal areas around the Mediterranean and Northern Europe. Next is ethylene ships. This variant of gas carriers is built for ambiguous trades but also has arrangements to carry LPGs or chemical gases. Their cargo carrying capacity is between 1,000 to 12,000 cubic meters. The thermal insulation and liquefaction are fitted on this variant of gas tankers. Next is fully refrigerated LPG ships. These tankers carry liquefied gases at low temperature and atmospheric pressure. They have a very significant prismatic shaped cargo tank made up of 3.5% nickel steel, which allows them to carry cargo at a temperature as low as negative 48 degrees Celsius. Next is LNG ships. Tanker ships that are used to cargo LNG or liquefied natural gas. This type of tankers require careful and delicate handling owing to the precariousness of the material they carry. Next is chemical tankers. Chemical tankers is a cargo tankers which transport chemicals in various forms. Chemical tankers are specifically designed in order to maintain the consistency of the chemicals they carry aboard them. These tanker ships are applied with coatings of certain substances that help in the easy identification of the chemicals that need to be transported. Chemical tankers can be classified into three categories as per their type. Type 1, product that possesses very serious environmental and safety hazards which require maximum preventive measures to prevent any leakage of cargo comes under Type 1 chemical tanker. Type 2, chemical products which markedly severe environmental and safety hazards which require significant preventive measures to forestall any escape of such cargo can be classified as Type 2 chemical tankers. Type 3, Chemical tankers that transport products with amply severe environmental and safety hazards which require a moderate degree of containment in a damaged condition can be referred to as Type 3 chemical tankers. Next is slurry tankers. This type of vessel is used to carry freighted product where it will be economically useful. In general, is a byproduct of refinery products which is very aromatic and forms a very small proportion of the global fuel market. Next is hydrogen tankers. Cargo tankers used for the shipping and transportation of liquefied hydrogen gas. These tankers are specifically designed to carry liquefied hydrogen gas in bulk. They can't be used to carry any other purpose. Next is juice tankers. These tankers were specifically designed for the carriage of juices. Juice tankers, or more specifically orange juice tankers, are used for the cargo carrying of orange juice in mass quantities. These tankers have refrigeration, temperature controller, and preservation plants, which helps them to keep the juice fresh at all times. Wine tankers. These tankers are used in carrying wine from the place of production to their different destination. Wine tankers are for transporting already produced wine from one country to another country for packaging. Next is integrated tug barges. In this type of vessel, this term is jagged into a special type of tug which can easily be connected to the barge, establishing it as a single unit. ITBs, or integrated tug barges, are prominently used on the eastern coast of the United States. These tankers are mainly tugs attached to barges, leading to the formation of a single cargo carrying unit. Classification of tankers based on their size. First is coastal tanker. Coastal tanker's length is 250 meters, its beam is 29 meters, its draft is 16 meters. It is less than 50,000 deadweight tonnage. They are mainly used for the transportation of refined products such as gasoline. Next is Aframax tanker. Length 245 meters, its beam is 34 meters, its draft is 20 meters, and it is approximately 80,000 deadweight tonnage. Swissmach tanker. Swissmach tanker is its length is 285 meters, its beam is 45 meters, its draft is 23 meters, and they are between 125,000 and 180,000 deadweight tonnage. VLCC tanker. Its length is 330 meters, its beam is 55 meters, its draft is 28 meters, and its capacity is around 320,000 deadweight tonnage. Its length is between 300 meters to 330 meters. VLCC tanker. Its length is 415 meters, its beam is 63 meters, its draft is 35 meters. Its capacity is around 320,000 deadweight tonnage. Larger tanker is of 550,000 deadweight tonnage. That is all, sir. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.